Hello guys, welcome to our new video, and today we are going to configure Burpsuite with Android. So we have an emulator here, so we are going to configure all Burpsuite in our Android 5.1 custom phone emulator. So we are going to start Genymotion because Genymotion has root in itself. So starting, we started Burpsuite already. So we are going to booting custom phone 5.1 with API 22. So we are going to add proxy here, all interface, and we are going to give the port 8080. Yes, then deactivate this one and activate this. Intercept is on, going to on. My computer is slow, that's why I have done fast forward. Starting. It's taking some time because I have slow laptop. So starting, first of all you have to check that you have activate the security, that you have pin or pattern lock in the Android, and you have to go to settings, Wi-Fi, open the option of Wi-Fi. Sorry for that. You have to go to setting, then Wi-Fi, then clicked on it, and there is one options, modify network. In modify network you have to go to advanced option, then manual, and you have to configure that what is your IP, and put give the command if config and see your IP address and put it here, and 8080 we have give port, and then save only this one. And now you have to go to browser, see this. Now we have to go to browser, and intercept is on. Now see the traffic is coming, but you have to do one more thing, that you have to install the certificate of Burpsuite. So you have to don't have given an error of this security. So we have to go. Sorry for that because my computer laptops hang sometime. See the security issue, we have to forward, but all traffic is intercepting the Burpsuite. So we are going to do this, and we have to write it. Sometimes my laptops hang, sorry for that. Okay, browser stops. Okay, we can run it. Now we have what we have to do, we have to download the certificate of Burpsuite. Intercept is on, actually it's working, but we have to put our certificate of Burpsuite in trusted credential certificate. So what we have to do, we have to write http column // and we have to download CA certificate. Just click it here and download it. But the problem is coming here is that this certificate can't install and can't read by the certificate installer in Android. So what we have to do is, first I have to show you how the problem is coming. Go to downloads, then we have downloaded this certificate. Then what's the problem is coming, can't install because the certificate file can't be read. So this is a problem that many are facing, sir. So I have the solution. I've got the solution for fixing it. First, what you have to do is just rename. Whatever you have to do is just rename the file to .ter to .cer. Rename it CER. I have gone for the solution, then click, but it's already set. But what you have to do, you have to go to settings in security. Then you have to send that install from SD card certificate and go to downloads in our internal storage. It's not showing here. Let's see that we have to go to our file manager, internal storage, on downloads, and then see there it coming CA certificate. Then just name it whatever you found and install this. Test it. Now see the intercept is on, and we have to run all HTTPS website also. We can run it. Google HTTPS and all website we have to run. Can run. So that's it on the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.